Welcome back to Auto Insider, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we've got something special, a name that's making a big comeback, the 2025 Toyota Stout. This compact truck is a perfect blend of old-school charm and modern innovation. Let's dive in and see what makes this truck stand out. First off, let's talk design. Toyota has clearly taken inspiration from the original Stout from the 1960s, but they've given it a fresh, modern twist. The bold front grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, gives it a tough, no-nonsense look. The muscular fenders and high beltline add to its rugged appeal, making it clear that the Stout is ready for action, whether it's on city streets or off-road trails. Despite its compact size, the Stout doesn't skimp on utility. It's designed to be versatile, perfect for those who need a truck that's both practical and easy to maneuver. The short overhangs and high ground clearance ensure that it's just as capable off the beaten path as it is in an urban setting. Under the hood, Toyota offers two solid engine choices. The first is a 2.7-liter four-cylinder, ideal for those who prioritize fuel efficiency and daily drivability. But if you need a bit more muscle, there's the 3.5-liter V6, which brings more power to the table. Whether you're hauling gear or just want that extra oomph on the highway, the Stout delivers the smooth and responsive drive. Now, let's step inside. The 2025 Stout is all about functionality without sacrificing comfort. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with durable materials that are built to last. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is the centerpiece, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's perfect for staying connected on the go, whether you're navigating through city traffic or exploring backcountry roads. And when it comes to storage, the Stout doesn't disappoint. The bed is designed with practicality in mind, offering a payload capacity of up to 1,500 pounds. Plus, with smart storage solutions throughout the cabin, there's plenty of room for all your tools, gear, and anything else you need to bring along for the ride. So, what makes the 2025 Toyota Stout a standout in the compact truck segment? It's all about balance. Classic design cues meet modern features. Compact size meets impressive capability. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse or a versatile truck for your weekend adventures, the Stout has what you need. Thanks for joining us today on Auto Insider. If you liked what you saw, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you think of the new Toyota Stout. Until next time, keep driving, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more on Auto Insider.